Suppose if you are using Microsoft Excel and if you want to cut a cell value, then the shortcut method, for example, I'm going to cut this hello, this one. So for cutting and pasting this, we can use a shortcut method. After selecting this, I'm going to my keyboard, and in this keyboard I'm going to press the Ctrl key and S key, these two keys at the same time. I press the Ctrl key and S key at the same time. Now you can see that here the this one is selected. Now I am going to paste it to this area here. I want to paste this. I click here using my mouse, and now again I am going to select another shortcut. I am going to click the Ctrl key and V key. So this is the Ctrl key and this is the V key. I press both keys at the same time. So you can see that it is pasted here now. So remember, in Excel the keyboard shortcut, that is the Ctrl key and S key, these two keys you press at the same time. That is the shortcut to cut a cell value in Excel. Of this video, for more videos subscribe and Excel online. Thank you.